Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WPRT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was going into the day and then where the price ultimately closed, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very, very nice move on the day. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is here at $3.15. Why is $3.15 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $3.15. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does pull back, not saying this will happen, but for example's sake, goes with a pretty drastic pullback and then behaves like this. So even after a drastic pullback like that, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this big base of lows down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, you still have the overall stair steps heading in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying, quote-unquote, make progress forward as $3.15. What about areas of resistance? In regards to areas of resistance, pretty straightforward. If you're watching level 2s today, then I'm sure you noticed whenever the price got right up around that $3.55 mark, bulls just couldn't quite push through, so that'll be public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow. All in all, though, very nice day, and now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.